How to read body language, lips, face, eyes, etc.
Welcome to Tisa Karaoke. Please subscribe down below and comment and God will bless you. Today we are going to study about what are the best psychological tricks to read other face. What are the best psychological tricks to read others' face? Research has shown that the word accounts for only 7% of how we communicate, whereas our body language percent. The voice tone, that percent, represents the rest. Our entire body language can be read and interpreted. Almost our every internal body part and its position speak a lot and lots. Not vocally but via body language, which also kept altering with respect to the circumstances, our feeling, all of people allowed. Here we are going to deal with the psychological trick to read other people's face. You just need to remember your emotion get etched to your face. According to Judith Oxlov, MD, there are several ways to interpret facial expression. There are when you see deep frown line forming, when you see deep frown line forming, it may suggest the person is worried or overthinking. When you see deep frown lines forming, it may suggest the person is worried or overthinking. On the contrary, a person who is truly laughing will show close feet. The smile line of joy. When you smile, squint or flush, your skin is pulled tight and then loosened, which can produce lasting lines. Since not smiling simply it is impossible. Claw feet are one of the most common facial expression wrinkles. Another thing to watch out for the past lips, which can signal anger, contempt, or bitterness. Additionally, a clenched jaw and teeth grinding are a sign of tension. A clenched jaw and teeth grinding are a sign of tension. Susan Cruz, Whitebourne PhD in psychology, today describe a classification of smiles in psychology. Today they are: number 1, leeward smile. Lips pulled directly upward, dimple at the side of the mouth and the eyebrows. Lift this communicate positive feedback. Number 2, affiliative smile. Affiliative smile involve pressing lips together while also making little dimples at the side of the mouth. Sign of friendship and linking. Number 3, dominance smile. Upper lips is raised and cheek get pushed upward. The nose get wrinkled. Indentation between nose and mouth deepens and raised upper lids. Watch people's eyes. They say our eyes are the doorway to our soul. They transmit power, energy, so take the time to observe people's eyes. According to Scientific Americans, eyes can convey whether we are lying or telling the truth. They can also serve as a good detector for what people like by looking at pupil size. Closing the eyes. If a person is talking to you and closing his or her eyes, you should know that they are trying to hide from the outside world. Important things to remember: it doesn't mean that the person is scared of you, because they might be tired of you, and if they close their eyes, you disappear. How do you know someone truly? Yes. Welcome to Tisa Karaoke. We have talked about what is the best psychological trick to read other faces. What is the best psychological trick to read other people's faces? Yes, when you laugh, when there is wrinkles that appears, when you are bitterness, yes, you have to know you are overthinking. Yes, please subscribe on my channel and you're able to learn a lot. Bye.